decided to make another video. Well, as you can see, it's night. Well, this video might be short. This is Kickball 174.
My brother's airplane, and see if he flies. First attempt. Let's go ball. I'm sorry.
Okay, now my brothers. Just leave that one on the ground for now.
Let the go. And first one. What's the
Oh, baby, it's a triple.
Attack number 2.
Shrek number 2. Shrek number.
Pause it really fast. Sorry,
okay.
I'll be back. Brothers, first one again. Yeah, let's go. My brothers again.
Boy, you suck.
Now for my turn.
That one sucked too. Now record me throwing it.
Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna try to do something. Can you pick that up?
Yeah. I'll throw at the same time.
Wait, I'm gonna do something.
I'm gonna throw at the same time, guys. Okay, guys.
No, don't throw them at the same time. That's dumb. And you're smushing mine.
Time.
Wait, hold on. Which one's mine? Go.
This one's mine. So guys, my brother just got like
Here.
angry for
Can you see that?
no,
And then no, cause
this one's mine.
this one's mine.
No, this
Cause
one's mine.
mine's skinnier. Remember?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm confused.
Yeah?
That's why I said we should label it.
Oh, come on, guys. Let's just
Wait,
throw
that
it.
one's mine. Cause look how much is messed up. Let me
This
see
one's
yours.
mine.
Okay, first one's Damien.
Well, sorry guys, we got a little argument.
Wait, the flashlight's not on. Oh, you never is.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, go. Where the heck did it go? Well, you're possessed. David, you turned around, your eyes were glowing. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there.
Where?
Oh. Okay. Now, my turn. Hey, dude.
Well, guys, this might be
I'm
a short
gonna
video, and if you guys don't like it, you guys can watch my videos and my brother's videos.
Second attempt.
Just to tell you, if you didn't subscribe to me, and a shout out to the Mega Long, I don't know, but,
Okay, ready? Set for mine.
and, a shout out to my, brother, Kickball 174.
Come on. Okay,
So
ready?
let's just start the video.
Wait,
again.
start at the, okay. Ready? Set. Record that one. Set. Go.
Boy. Like, it's when we record, it does nothing good.
Okay, now it's for yours.
Whoa!
Mine again. You guys need to see this part.
Okay, now my brother's gonna record me. Oh,
Wait, remember yours?
can you hear a car coming soon? No, we don't. There's not a car coming.
Whoa! Okay.
That was mine, guys.
Okay, now my brother can just.
That boy is good.
I'm just kidding.
Now throw both of it at the same time.
Oh, it's gonna be hard.
It's easy. All you need is 2 hands and know how to throw. Do you have 2 hands? Do you have 2 hands?
It's confusing.
Never mind.
This one right here is my brother's, and this one's mine. My brother's mine. And the car's here.
Right there.
And go. I can't see. I told you that one was good because I can't throw it that here. I really wish there was a third person. Hold on, let me call my sister. Abby!
Just 2 more minutes, guys. I told you this video is gonna be short, but just enjoy.
My brother's. Okay. My brother was the best one. Let's see how much times he could be the best compared to mine. 3 times. And actually no, 5 times. If they get 3 out of 5 good, they win. This is my brother's right.
did not see that.
One good for my brother.
I did not see that, guys, so...
It's okay, but I know I saw with my own 2 eyes. Okay, that's actually one good for my brother. And next, my other one for my brother we had to do is 5 times. Tell me if that was good.
It's like
Good.
knocking
That
on
was
his door.
2. My brother's getting 2 good. You have to do all 5 good. Next one. What? Whoa! That was 3 good. My brother might pass.
Yes.
Okay. 4th one. That went so gently. It's smooth. I wish I was on the airplane.
Well, this is the 5th one, guys.
Guys, my brother did 4 all good. If he does this, he's gonna win automatically.
Okay.
Because I meant to throw it though. Hold on, we're gonna do something. Nope. No. Okay, my brother only did 4 good. Right.
4 good, yeah. That was actually good.
1 good?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put my brother's good up here because the one that gets finished is really good.
And if this phone ends on me, I'm just gonna say bye. I know it's kind of retarded saying bye. You know, this video is not gonna end right now.
Okay? After every move, we're gonna say bye, just in case. And
Bye.
second attempt.
1. Well, never mind. What the? I saw other thing flying. There's a white thing.
My airplane.
No, but it flew over there, so. Oh.
My 3rd one. So far, 2 is good. Did you see that twirl? It was like, it twirled like 10,000 times.
That boy is good, like my other boy.
Okay. 4th
Boy.
attempt, and we have 3 so far. Good. My brother has 4. I'm scared.
You better.
4. Oh, I have to say it right. No, you don't give up on me now.
Okay. My brother kissed it because he's.
It's good luck.
No. This last one, guys. Last one. Well, my brother beat me. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to my brother's channel, my channel, and whoever others you guys want to subscribe to. I just hope you guys enjoy this. Say bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Do it one more time. I'm going to pause.
Bye, guys. That's just my opposite directions. Bye, guys.